All right, we're heading out of Spokane today, saying bye-bye to my hometown. We're heading out to Airway Heights, and we're running late as usual. It's in real Spokane. It's like there's just Bruce and family. Everybody else is like the meetup. That's fine. You're the worst. Oh my God! If you wreck your bike, I swear to God. What? Oh my God! Oh, show off. Bruce is looking at you like this, mother. Oh, all right, convoy out. We are 4 motorcycles deep, 2 multi-passenger vehicles, only several minutes late. We are headed to Soap Lake, Washington, a location that my father used to do all kind of nostalgic things. Check out this cool-ass building.
Wow.
I've watched it get restored over time. It's neat.
It's funky, but yeah, it's neat. Is my sound all the way up for you?
These earplugs are just doing a better job.
Okay.
So you don't have to shout or anything.
I will speak louder.
Round out the vowels.
I-E-I-O-U.
Why? Sometimes.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, Bruce stood up.
Did he?
He's on the passenger seat.
Ice cold.
Yeah, that
feels a bit of a breeze.
Feels really good.
Little island out there.
Yeah, right?
I bet you could swim at it.
I could definitely swim to that.
Okay, let's pull over.
Okay.
Well, that brings us another point.
Yes.
In 45 years of riding, I have never ever seen a motorcycle group go so slow that a semi is going to pass you.
Well, so here's my question. We were watching your distance. We thought you guys wanted to go slow.
No.
Oh, well, then we'll kick it up a notch. We got so far ahead of you that I was like, well, shit, what are they doing?
I got cruise control. I put it on 60 and you slow down. So I slow down and then you speed up.
Call me slow. All right, then. All right. That was a mistake.
Safety first.
Yes. Oh, come here, you. Come here. Come lean in. Come lean in. Turn your head. Look what you had.
Oh, little bud, yeah.
All right. Cool. Right on. Call me slow. All right, Bruce.
Every time we go over 65, they're 500 yards back.
Yep. Yeah.
Wow. Columbia River.
Yeah, we're about to get down to it.
Sweet. Alright, where's that nice lake breeze? Come on.
Oh, it's sitting down here, surrounded by these hot lava.
Yeah, congratulations. You swear you brought me to an oven.
Alright, first stop in the Memorial Ride.
Hot blacktop.
Yeah, wow. I get the feeling with how warm it is, it'd be a little bit squishy if you walked on it.
Yeah, right. This car is going to dodge in front of us at the last second.
Oh, you know it. In 3, 2, 1.
Bingo! Mountain called it. Yeah, how about this desert?
Yeah, this is kind of crazy.
Right?
It's just so Nevada.
It's just random.
Yeah. All those statues are really neat.
Oh, just wait till you get up there.
Yeah. I
They're
can't
covered in
wait.
graffiti, but it's kind of cool, actually.
Okay.
Sitting out there with their guitars.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, their fucking backup lights just...
Oh, hi. God.
The mighty Columbia. I probably said that 17,000 times.
Yeah, I bet.
But it is so funny. I just wish that I could have taken you to the laser show. Look at that thing. Giant. Ain't no river wide enough, baby. It keeps me from getting to you, baby. Sorry, I had to have that little moment, but I'm not sorry about it.
Good?
Yes.
All right.
Really this time. I'm totally ready. Petrified forest.
Oh, back there?
It's up this way.
Oh, cool.
All these stumps you see up here,
Yeah.
those are petrified tree stumps.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. We are on the road again.
Yep, and we're on our own until Eagle, Colorado.
Wow. These are the OG fidget spinners, right?
Yeah.
An Earth fidget spinner. And this guy, lazy and not doing his job. I just expect a giant set of fingers to come down and, like, flick it. Oh, you're just...
Whiskey Dick Ranch.
Whiskey Dick Ranch. Where we make no pretense about performance.
Yep.
Whiskey Dick Ranch.
Whoa.
Wow, dude. Row, row, row your boat. Not into the trees.
Never know when you might want to pop on down by the river.
Never know.
Yeah, people are cliff diving. Nope, motorcycle.
Yeah. Is that a stand-up wave?
I can't tell.
Look, yes, stand-up wave.
Nice.
That's awesome. Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, geez. It's like
Getting thermal pocket.
it's like getting hit in the face with a sauna. Oh.
His face just, oh my god.
It's hot. Damn. No, it's too hot.
I will eat
I am
the
halfway
reservation.
tempted to take my gloves off and ride without gloves on. It's hot.
What? You've got room on your property to grow fruit, you hot.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Although you're a bit of a dick for watering in the hottest part of the day.
I mean, just wasteful.
Yeah, it is.
Marijuana?
Marijuana. That's subtle.
Marijuana. Yeah, you slam on those brakes, you poor thing, on this white knuckle road adventure you're having. All the vehicles turn out. No takers? No? It's none of you? None of you are the problem? Fine. Wow, you guys.
Holy crap. That's super cool.
Yep, had to.
Yep.
That's neat. You see all the exposed rocks?
Yeah, I love tunnels like that. Hate this tent.
Hey. Coming up on White Path.
The road's carved out of the edge of the mountain. That sign back there said no stopping or standing for 2 miles.
I do what I want!
We did that perfectly coordinated.
What's this, 60 miles an hour for the first time in the last 35 minutes? Well, I'll be goddamn.
Yep. Oh, that's it right there.
Resort campground? That.
Yeah.
Nope.
You want to just keep going into Randall?
Yeah, why not?
Alright.
We can pull in somewhere and be like, hey, where's a good place to camp? Holy shit, an elk just chilling out there in the grass.
What?
You didn't see that elk?
No.
In the grass, like 10 feet off the road?
No, I didn't see it at all.
Oh, yeah, it was a female. Cascade Peak, look. No. on the way up to our campground that we randomly selected from a map because the Cascade Peak RV campground was just a dump for white trash. And we weren't interested in any of that, so we're up here in the Fern Gully looking for somewhere to camp. We're going to Tower Rock, right?
Yeah, that's what we're trying for. If not, that iron one that was on the sign back there said 8 miles.
Yeah, that's fine, yeah. We'll see what we can find. How about that?
Yeah, exactly. Pin it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, this is great!
Oh, this thing just died in a million billion particles on my...
Okay, take these off.
Oh my god, yeah.
So it should be anywhere in here if it's,
What the? Whoa!
What?
I caught the bug and it was in my hand!
Oh.
I was like, wow! Oh,
You have learned well, Grasshopper. Jesus, this is some like Lost in the Woods.
Oh, yeah. Well, then. Like, can I get a sign?
Oh, here's a split.
Oh, river! Hello!
I could spend a week back here with my camera.
Right? Get eaten by a bear in that time.
Well,
Please don't do that.
yeah.
Big bump. Oh, air!
Whoa!
What do we have here? Slowing down. Tower Rock.
Yes.
Or Iron Creek, whatever.
Oh, whatever. I don't even care.
Oh. Oh, it's cave. Oh. Alright, here's the host.
Sweet.
Talk to this guy. Yeah, how about that weird flag?
Well, and the hanging gnome thing.
Scarecrow?
Yeah. What
Yeah.
the hell? We have just ridden our motorcycles to the Pacific Ocean.
All the way to the left coast. Rough road.
Yeah, right?
Really rough road.
Yeah, jeez. Oh, oh, God, stop. You just dropped something.
I don't know what it was.
I don't know what it was either, but you dropped it. It was your friggin' sticker. Holy shit.
The whole thing's gone.